So in this Neo Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to open up a savings account on the Neo Financial application. So once the app's opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and make sure you're on the accounts page. Once you're on the accounts page, just scroll down a couple options to where it says accounts right here and then press on get an account. Then under accounts, you're looking for the Neo savings account. Go ahead and select that. And once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and actually answer some questions about what you're saving for. So in this case, if you just wanted to create an emergency fund, you can do that. And if this looks good to you, you can see the interest rate, the fees, the balance, etc. You can also read more about it. And if this looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press Add a Savings Account. Then on this page right here, you can go ahead and see the account sharing options, the personalize your account, and fill in all this information. And if this looks good to you, when the application's done, just go ahead and press continue this way, and then you can open up a savings account through the app on Neo. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to open up a savings account on Neo Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.